Now let's look into this graph. They have given me different activity levels, which is basically represented in my X, and what are the total costs are represented in Y. They have given me, if you look into it, different costs which are plotted in this graph, which are all seen in the graph. Now I need to draw a line which is going to represent all of this cost, so that that becomes a representation of all my costs of the activity levels. So let me draw a particular line. I'm assuming that this line should be the one which represents all my costs in the activity level or for different activity levels. Now, if you say, is this the best one? I say this is just what appears to me on my naked eye. This line can be different for different people. For me, this is the line I feel is going to be a representative of the entire cost. Now, what I'll do from here is I will extend my graph so that it can touch both my x axis and y axis. So, first, let me extend this line to touch my y axis. Then, at a particular activity level, let's say at 150, I will drop it down, and here I'll drop this, or I'll make sure it touches my y-axis. Now once I've done this, what I'll do is I'll try using my formula, which is total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost, and I'll try using it in y is equal to a plus bx. The cost which is going to be incurred irrespective of my activity level, this is my fixed cost, therefore my fixed cost is 100. What is my total cost for 150 units? It is 400. Do I know the number of units? It is 150. Do I know variable cost per unit? The answer is no, x. If I solve this equation, 400 is equal to 100 plus 150x. I would get x is equal to 2 per unit. Therefore, this becomes my variable cost per unit.